Well, let's summarize what you've learned here at becoming vegan or vegetarian or flexitarian, however you're going to choose to go. We've talked about motivation and reasons for becoming a vegetarian or vegan. We've learned how to make those changes, how to have a good, healthy mental outlook, where to find your diet needs, and how to go beyond just your diet. We've even looked at some of the issues and answers that happen for vegans and vegetarians. So I'm so glad you joined us for this course. We just got a couple more things we wanted to share with you. We'd like you to join our Facebook page, facebook.com, Vegan Vegetarian Cooking School, so you can interact with other vegans and vegetarians and keep motivated. Also, the veganvegetariancookingschool.com has lots of resources. We have free cooking videos and lots of recipes on our website. Thank you so much for joining us in this adventure, and don't forget to check out all the supplements that we're offering in this course.